Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching Technique Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to add or how to insert date on your Canva docs document on your computer. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on the subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to add date on your Canva docs on your computer, I'm just going to show in this video. To add date, you just first of all, you just need to use the action button. So actually this is the plus symbol I just talking about. It's a quick action. Click on this. Now you can find the action button called date, or you can just search here, just type as date here, and you can find a few options called action date and dates. Select the date. Just go with the date, and now you have this four options like select date or today or tomorrow, like that. So I just go with the today, so it's inserted as March 26th. So I just go with another here. So I just going to type as date. I'm just going to click on this and just click on the select date. So you can just select which month. You can just go with months or date, like that. So just go with the July 12, 2025. Click on this. You can see the date has been inserted. So this is how you just insert the date on your Canva docs on your computer. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.